And finally, we will take a look at the common terms in the engine room. Elevator or lift is a device which brings personnel or supplies from one deck to another. The main engine is the engine used for turning the ship's propeller. An auxiliary engine is an engine connected to a generator for producing electricity. The boiler is a closed vessel producing steam. The engine control room is an area of the engine room for monitoring and control of engine systems. The spare parts store is a space where spare parts are located. The steering gear is the machinery which turns the rudder to the desired angle. The workshop is the room with tools or machinery for repairs. The bilge is the lowest part of the hull and machinery spaces. A platform is a partial deck, in other words, one that is not continuous.